Alright, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. What we're doing today is we're making cutting board safe finishing wax. And we even have the rose color containers, which are different from our finishing wax, which is silver, so you can tell the difference. But this is going to be for cutting boards and anything food grade you're going to be using, because you don't want to use regular finishing wax, which has the mineral spirits and linseed oil on something you're going to be eating, or eating off of, I should say. So this is the food safe beeswax finishing wax for your cutting boards and all that good stuff, right from our little bees out here, rendered here on the farm. So, all right, let's get into it. Also, make sure to check out the video on face and hand cream with our beeswax. We actually got a batch going right there. Check out that video. Check out our lip balm video, our finishing wax video, our soap video, all the good stuff that we do with beeswax and the honeybees here. So, as usual, you want a pan that you've been using food safe stuff in. Like, you wouldn't want to use your finishing wax for the linseed oil and mineral spirits with this, because that's what you're trying to avoid. So you can use vegetable oil, olive oil, avocado oil, just any natural food safe oils to go ahead and make this finishing wax for cutting boards. We're just going to use regular Hannaford brand vegetable oil for this batch, and we'll go ahead and use this to measure, and we'll zero that out, and we're going to do 1.5 pounds. So we need 24 ounces of vegetable oil. All right, 10.1. And we'll put that in the pan. Ten more. Dump that in. Zero that out. So 24 ounces, or 1.5 pounds. And we'll get that heating. And we'll go ahead and start measuring out our beeswax. Make sure to check out the video on how we rendered all this beeswax and the different molds we use to get different size sticks and stuff like that. All sticking together. So we need 24 ounces. Use up these big blocks first. Alright, 24.02. Perfect. So we'll take these, start adding them in. Alright, so let's let these start melting down in here, and we'll come back. Alright, so let's start taking the tops off these containers and get them ready for pour. almost all melted down here. Once those last couple pieces are done, we'll go ahead and pour these into our containers over here. And make sure you got a nice pour. You know, this is fancy. It's from the dollar store, so you can always dispose of it when you're done. But these work out good, especially for pouring in here. So we'll pour it from the pan into here, and then into our tins over here. All right. And a little secret, while it's still hot, if you wipe this out with a paper towel, you can get it all nice and clean on the bottom. But these are all poured now. That was that whole batch there. Now we can go ahead and let these cool, and we'll come back to them.
What'd you have?
103. These are all dry now, and we got my son's cutting board that he made, the Whitehouse Farm Goat, and this needs a good coating, so let's go ahead and try it out, see how it works. Alright, this thing is looking good. I just got this side over here to finish, but even the feel of it, sealing it in, gonna make it last. Nice and protected now, came out awesome. Let's go ahead and throw the tops on the rest of these. All right, so we're all set here. We got our food safe finishing wax all done, and got my son's board that he did all nice and finished up here. Feels good, looks good, and it's food safe. So if you're looking to purchase any, I'll go ahead and leave the email right here. And go ahead and send us an email, and we'll get back to you and go over the details. So, all right, we're all set here. Once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo. Bye, guys.